Good night, Jamaicans from Jamaica. This is our announcement about our general election. Well, before that, let's hear our Prime Minister and opposition speak. First up is PORTIA Simpson.
Good night, ladies and gentlemen. It is an honor to be in front of you guys today.
Portia, can you please just speak from your mind and stop speaking from your paper to the country and to your voter? We are tired of seeing you speaking from your paper.
Okay. I love the poor.
And?
They make me happy. Power. We're live, sir.
Well, that's all our Prime Minister PORTIA Simpson had to say. Yes, had to say. Now here comes our opposition and your wholeness. Well, I don't even know who gave her Prime Minister in the first place. Come on down, and your wholeness. Come on down.
One bag of gold medal.
No, but talk. Well, that was very entertaining from our opposition and your wholeness. At least you don't come with the same thing all the while. Our voters are in, which means our collection of the voting is complete. And our new Prime Minister is no other than, let me get a drum roll, no other than PORTIA Simpson Miller. Whoa. Well, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. Sorry for the inconvenience, but I have made a mistake. Well, I take full responsibility for this, but I called the wrong name. Yes. Our real and our Prime Minister for 2016 is no other than Honorable Vybz Kartel. Yeah.